this video, I will be talking about why Earth is a habitable planet. There's a big question on why Earth is unique to having maintained a temperature that's suitable for life in most of existence. As you can see in this picture, it could be too hot, too cold, just right. The Earth is always just right to maintain living people, living animals, and that's because the existence and endurance of life on Earth becomes even more remarkable when we consider all the dramatic changes that the Earth has undergone over the millennia. The formation and breakup of huge supercontinents, massive volcano eruptions, and the increase of atmospheric oxygen content from virtually nothing to an atmosphere that is breathable for us today. So that's why it's made animal and plant life possible. So what makes Earth so uniquely suitable for life? It's unlike Venus or Mars, the Earth has an active plate tectonic system, which as you can see in the picture, some of the plate tectonics are lightened up. It continuously produces and destroys the crust. The same system also gives us active water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide cycles, as material is subducted down into the Earth's interior and eventually re-erupted from volcanoes. A downside is, while tectonics give the Earth active water and gas cycles, the tectonic system itself moves too slowly to be the process that actively maintains the climate. Also, to understand the Earth's remarkable, stable, long-term climate, we must focus on the carbon cycle, specifically what is known as the long-term carbon cycle, which operates on timescales of more than tens of thousands of years. So this is just one little example of the latest carbon dioxide reading. It was back in 2019, but that's the closest I could find. As you can see, it increases each year. Carbon dioxide from volcano activity is added to the atmosphere and subsequently removed from the atmosphere by two processes. First, the physical burial of organic carbon in coal, oil, gas, and shale, and second, the chemical formation of carbonates such as limestone or coral reefs in the ocean. Carbonates contain carbon, and so their formation locks it up for the long periods of time. And this just shows our beautiful Earth. The Earth has stayed habitable for 4 million years due to the simple but elegant mechanism operating between temperature, weathering, and CO2. And so the answer to the question of why we are here is because nature's own thermostat has allowed us to be. Everything is controlled naturally. It's so amazing because we really don't know what's all taking place to keep this Earth a habitable planet.